I'll guide you through a step-by-step method to effectively visualize and manifest your desires. Whether it's a new job, a personal goal, or even a lifestyle change, the technique I'm about to share has helped many, and it's simple enough for anyone to try. Let's get started by exploring what visualization actually is and why it's such a powerful tool for achieving your goals. Visualization is a technique that involves picturing in your mind what you want to achieve. It's like creating a mental image or a movie scene where you are the main character who achieves something significant. When you visualize, you see the end result vividly, down to the smallest detail. It's about using the power of your imagination to evoke strong emotions, as if what you're imagining is happening right now. Why is this important? Because the human brain is incredibly powerful. It often doesn't differentiate between what is real and what is vividly imagined. This means that when you frequently visualize your goals as already achieved, your brain starts to work as if those achievements are real. Tunes your thoughts and actions towards making that imagined scenario true. In sports, top athletes use visualization regularly to enhance their performance. Before competitions, they visualize themselves winning, going through every motion in their sport with precision. This mental rehearsal prepares them mentally and physically for the actual event. But visualization isn't just for athletes. It's equally effective in everyday life, whether for achieving personal goals or improving professional outcomes. Now that we know what visualization is, let's discuss its connection with the law of attraction and how these concepts interlink to form a potent tool for personal development. The law of attraction is a philosophy suggesting that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. The idea is that like attracts like. If you think positively, you will attract positive things into your life. Conversely, negative thinking attracts negative experiences. Visualization is a fundamental aspect of the law of attraction because it helps you create and maintain the positive, focused mindset needed to attract good things. By visualizing your goals as already accomplished, you're setting the stage for reality to follow suit. Think of it as placing an order with the universe. You visualize what you want, thereby sending out that request. The clearer and more detailed your mental image, the better equipped the universe is to deliver what you desire. Now that you understand what visualization is and how it ties into the law of attraction, let's prepare to actually start visualizing. Effective visualization isn't just about closing your eyes and imagining something briefly. It requires a bit of setup to make it truly powerful. First, consider your mindset. To visualize effectively, it's important to approach your session with a positive, open mindset. You need to believe that what you're about to do can really lead to the outcomes you desire. If you start with doubts or skepticism, it may hinder the effectiveness of your visualization. So, take a moment to clear your mind of negative thoughts and distractions before you begin. Next, think about your environment. Visualization works best in a calm and quiet space where you won't be interrupted. It could be a comfortable spot in your living room, a peaceful corner of your garden, or even a quiet park bench. The key is to find a place where you feel relaxed and free from the usual distractions. Make sure your chosen spot is somewhere you can sit comfortably for a few minutes without being disturbed. With your mindset prepared and your environment set, let's walk through the actual visualization technique. This technique will be divided into 3 clear steps, and by following them, you can start to see results in as little as 3 days. Step 1, define your desire. Begin by clearly defining what you want to achieve. This might be a specific job, a personal relationship, or a state of health. The more specific you are, the better. Write it down in detail. Knowing exactly what you want helps focus your mental energy like a laser. Step 2, engage all your senses. Close your eyes and start imagining that you have already achieved your desire. Picture it as vividly as possible. What do you see around you? What sounds do you hear? Are there any smells? What does it feel like? Try to use all your senses to make the experience as real as possible in your mind. The more detailed your visualization, the more impactful it will be. Step 3, add emotion. Now infuse your visualization with emotions. How does achieving your goal make you feel? Happy, excited, peaceful? Emotions are a powerful signal to the universe and play a crucial role in the law of attraction. Feel the joy or satisfaction as if your desire has already been fulfilled. This step is crucial because emotional energy amplifies your ability to manifest your desires. These steps, when practiced regularly, especially morning and night, can significantly enhance your ability to manifest your desires. The key is consistency and emotional involvement. Remember, visualization is not just about seeing what you want, but feeling it deeply as if it's already part of your reality. You might be wondering, why specifically 3 days? This time frame isn't just a random choice. It's based on the principle that short, intense periods of focused energy can create momentum. In the context of visualization, 3 days is long enough to establish a habit while keeping your energy and intention concentrated. During these 3 days, your task is to consistently practice the visualization technique we discussed. Each session reinforces your mental image and deepens your emotional connection to the outcome. This consistent effort helps embed your desires into your subconscious, aligning your mindset and actions towards your goals. By the end of the 3rd day, this process should feel more natural, and your belief in the possibility of achievement grows stronger, enhancing the law of attraction's effect. To maximize the effectiveness of your visualization, here are some practical tips you can follow. For best results, visualize at least twice a day. The ideal times are right after you wake up and just before you go to bed. These are times when your mind is naturally more receptive to suggestive thoughts because it is transitioning between waking and sleeping states. Each visualization session doesn't need to be long. Around 5 to 10 minutes per session is sufficient. The key is depth and consistency, not necessarily length. Consider using tools that aid in visualization, for example, background music that calms the mind or visualization apps that guide you through scenarios can enhance your practice. Some people also find that keeping a journal helps. You can write down the details of what you visualize each day to make your mental images clearer and track your progress. By incorporating these practices, you set the stage for effective visualization. Remember, the goal of these tips is to make your visualization practice a regular part of your routine, as effortless and habitual as brushing your teeth. As you start on your visualization journey, it's also crucial to be aware of common pitfalls that can hinder the effectiveness of your practice. Being mindful of these can help you maintain a clear path toward achieving your goals. First, doubting the process. Doubt is a natural response, especially when you're trying something new or when results aren't immediate. But doubt can dilute the clarity and energy of your visualizations. To counter this, reinforce your belief by maintaining a daily routine of visualization and remind yourself of the reason why you started this journey. Second, inconsistency. Skipping days or not following through with your visualization practice regularly is another common mistake. Visualization, like any skill, improves with regular practice. Consistency is key in training your mind to accept the reality of your desires. Third, over-attachment to outcomes. While it's important to have a clear goal, being too emotionally attached to the exact outcome can create tension and stress, which might actually repel the very experiences you want to attract. Instead, focus on the feelings that achieving your goals would bring, such as joy or peace, and remain open to the form in which these might arrive. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try this visualization technique and share your experiences in the comments below. What goal are you working towards? How did visualization help you move closer to your goal? Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more insights on personal development, motivation, and techniques like this. Your support helps us bring more content that can make a difference in your life. Thank you for watching, and remember, the power to change your life is just a visualization away. Start now and see where it takes you.